Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to pin and unpin chat on WhatsApp. So, if you're also wondering how in today's video you may follow up this step. So, first of all, let's start by pinning a chat. Open up WhatsApp for that on your Android device, and once you open it up, you can locate the chat that you wish to pin from your chat list. So, you can head over and locate up the chat, and you just need to hold and tap the desired chat until a menu bar appears on your screen on the top right there. Now in the menu, you will be finding a pin icon. You just need to go ahead and tap on the pin icon that appears in the top menu to pin the chat. And there we go. And you should be finding the pin icon right beside it, indicating that the chat has been pinned. And that's it. Now, in order to unpin a chat, what you can do is you can head over and open up WhatsApp again. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and unpin the chat. For that, you can tap and hold the pinned chat. You will be finding a pinned chat pin indicating that the chat has been pinned. So you can hold it up, and once you hold it up, you will be finding option of unpin again. Just go ahead and tap on it from the top menu. And once you do so, the chat will then move from its pinned position to its regular place in your chat list. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to pin and unpin chat in WhatsApp, these are the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.